We're from dollar bills, now we popping rubber bands. Bruno sang to me while I do my money dance like flexing on the gram like hit that Lil Jon, okay. Oh yeah, we dripping the finesse and getting paid. Ow.
Ladies loving my music, it's like some sex shit. Niggas tryna
on the mic like it's a dick.
run around the corner and pick up the new shit.
The shit,
Sisters in the tax, niggas could catch wreck.
bro.
Ladies loving my music, it's like some sex shit.
Yeah.
Niggas tryna hit the mic like it's a dick.
Nah, 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 nah.
Niggas could catch wreck.
What's good, good? And what's good, evil? And what's good, gangsters? And what's good, people? And why God phone die every time that I call on them? If his son had a Twitter, wonder if I would follow him. Swallow them synonyms like cinnamon, cinnabon. Keep all them sentiments down to a minimum. Studious, gluteus, maxim models is sending home. Pics of they genitalia, tallied up 10 of them. I slurp too many painkills down, I'm off a lot. I got a lot of off days, but it ain't often that I'm off the clock. Y'all know what I mean? I got the Chicago blues. We invented rock before the Stones got through. We just aiming back cause the cops shot you. Buck, buck, bang, bang, yelling fuck Fox News. Booyaka, buckle up, motherfuck ops too. Ain't no knuckling up, young, cause it's just not cool. Nice to see you 5 the New Year. Little finger Uncle Samuel. Shooting death with weighted dice and hitting stains on birthday candles. I know somebody loves my ass, cause they help me beat my demon's ass. Everybody, somebody's everything. I know you're right. Nobody's nothing. That's right. Everybody, somebody's everything. I know you're right. Nobody's nothing. That's right. Everybody, somebody's everything. That's right. Nobody's nothing. Right? I know you're right. I used to tell hoes I was dark light or off-white, but I'd fight if a nigga said that I talk white. And both my parents was black, but they saw it fit that I talk right. When my drawers hit, but my hard head stayed in the clouds like a lost kite. But gravity had me up in a submission hold, like I'm dancing with the devil with 2 left feet and I'm pigeon-toed in 2 small point ballet shoes with a missing soul and 2 missing toes. But it's love like you been kissing a mistletoe. 5 the New Year, little finger Uncle Samuel. Shooting death with weighted dice and hitting stains on birthday candles. I know somebody loves my ass, cause they help me beat my demon's ass.
Like Cassius ducking the draft and now the fight is over. The type that love from a distance, not the type that told her. Spent 3 days on the rap, trash it and type it over. With babies on the block, underarms like fighting odors. Coppers and quotas hold your head like 2 pockets tall. Obviously they are on a come up, with better chances tobogganing in the fucking summer. Concoctions for the bad days and a condom for the good ones. All odds against us, we trying to get lucky. Doper than lucky, yo, ain't it happy? That's only a tugging, like Satan masturbating. Shit come hot, but y'all still love me. How far the time of deadbeat? Maybe I'm adopted, that'll explain why all of my shit been so timeless.
Everybody, somebody's everything. Nigga, nobody's nothing. Nigga, everybody, somebody's everything. Nigga, nobody's nothing at all. Wu-Tang. Everybody, somebody's everything. That's right. Nobody's nothing. Nobody's nothing. I know you're right. Nobody. Chance, acid rapper, soccer hacky sacker, cocky khaki jacket jacker, slap happy faggot slapper, a rocky rocket launcher, shake that laffy taffy, jolly raunchy rapper. Dang dang ski ski ski, she do that thing for 3 retweets. The album feel like 92. Then take that bump for he 3P. Chance whole acid, cruising on that LSD. Ask yourself about my deal, he look back, say hell yeah, let's see. This shit my favorite song, you just don't know the words, but I still fuck with you. You just ain't never heard. It go like count that stack, pop that captain down that jack. All my niggas hit that zit, and all my ladies bout that bitch. This my jam, this my jam, this my jam, this my jam. About that jam, about that jam, about that jam, about that jam. This my jam, this my jam, this my jam, this my jam. About that jam, about that jam, about that jam, about that jam. Young, rascal flats, young ass kid ass could rap. Fuck all the faculty, tobacco packing, acrobat. Back to back, packing back and forth with fits of jack and forth of weed. I'm back to pack on heads with young Cletus to pat my back. Little nigga with a nose ring, that's right. Just here to rap them songs. Rag on my hair, rap weed in Vegas, rockin' Vagabond. Sing the song, oh you don't know. What? Well I still bang with you, hang with you, sip drink with you, as long as I can sing with you live. This shit my favorite song. You just don't know the words, but I still fuck with you. You just ain't never heard. It go like count that stack, pop that captain down that jack. All my niggas hit that zip, and all my ladies bout that bitch. This my jam, this my jam, this my jam, this my jam. About that jam, about that jam, about that jam, about that jam. This my jam, this my jam, this my jam, this my jam. About that jam, about that jam, about that jam, about that jam.
Niggas, please be focused. That Bino, you know this. He rep the homososis. You know I'm from that zone 6. You know I rep that stone shit. You know your hood is so clear as God as my witness. This Will Smith spit real shit. I'ma be that. CG busy getting where the weed at. Bought your girl some new knee pads. You fucking with me, Fifi bag. My stars, EGAD. She said, it's my favorite song, hold my purse. Now she on the float, dropping like it's high. You blast this shit in Abercrombie when your work is finished. Your mom won't play it in the car cause it got cursing in it. Your boy like, I'm the one who showed you he won his percentage. Cause you were like, this ain't the nigga you said spittin', is it? Two-step, white dudes Harlem shake. Why you laughing? Cause you Harlem shake. I was never fake, I was just too good to be true. That's acid rap, we killed the track. You had your chance and be no too. This shit my favorite song, you just don't know the words. But I still fuck with you, you just ain't ever heard.
It go like count that stack, pop that captain down that jack. All my niggas hit that zip, and all my ladies bout that bitch. This my jam, this my jam, this my jam, this my jam. About that jam, about that jam, about that jam, about that jam. This my jam, this my jam, this my jam, this my jam.
We're from dollar bills, now we poppin' rubber bands. Bruno sang to me while